purple in color. How do I know? Because I know. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful on that note. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph. 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. We got the vitamin A, the C, the K, the gut-friendly, the alkalizing to your body. We had everything underneath the sun. What are we doing today? Hit it. We got the greens. Let's get it. All right, everybody. This is what I'm working with today. The first on the list is a no-brainer right here, the avocado. Packed with healthy fats, good for your brain, skin, vision, fiber, you name it. This is a no-brainer right here. Second on the list is going to be green grapes, guys. Good for your eyes, fights against certain cancers, along with may help with blood sugar regulation. I find these guys to be pretty much in my top 10 of greens, all right, right here. The third on the list is going to be the green pepper, the crunch as I call them. Packed with A, vitamin K, C, vitamins and minerals. That right there is power packed. Absolutely love it raw and or sauteed. The number 4th on the list has potassium, B6, vitamin C. We're gonna have right here, the cubanelle, the green, if I pronounce that right, guys, okay? This is a sister of this, kind of the same taste, more potency, more intense, less flavor, but a different profile with the vitamins and minerals. That's why it's good to get a wide variety of fruits and vegetables and colors of the rainbow throughout the day. Number 5 on the list is going to be cucumbers. We all know about cucumbers, alkalizing, hydration, you name it, you can do it. Then we have these bad boys right here, the limes. A natural detox, immune system busters, digestion, right here, every day for me, every day. Number 7 is going to be the green beans. Good for digestion, guys. I focus on digestion so much. These bad boys, low fat, what else? Gut friendly, ACK, folic, you name it, it's in there. Then we have the one in the middle, the green apple. Alkalizing, low FODMAP, all right? We have number 9 on the list. And last but not least, we have the bok choy. Anti-inflammatory, alkalizing, low FODMAP. I absolutely love it. So we have the avocado, we have the grapes, we have the green peppers, we have the cukes, we have the green beans, the limes, the apples. This right here, I absolutely love this 1 to 10, guys. These guys are my favorites. Not that, maybe switch it off every day here and there. But what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and make a very simple, and I mean simple, sandwich. Move that. You guys can go ahead and use any type of bread you like. I don't know if you're gluten-free. I don't know if you like wheat. You have celiac disease, whatever the case may be. But this right here is going to be from my local store. This is gluten-free and vegan. That's it. So I'm going to set this aside right here while I cut some veggies. So on this one, we're going to wing it today. Definitely have to have some spicy mustard. Set that aside. The next, and this is going to be open-faced. I don't know if you know what open-faced is, guys, but it's not going to be together. It's just, that's what it is. It's open-faced. I'm going to do a little bit of the bok choy, like that. Set that aside. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab some, this is a sharp knife too. I'm going to go ahead and do some green peppers right here. Slice those nice and thin, move those aside. Again, there's no rhyme or reason, just make it look pretty and pretty damn good to taste. I'm going to do a little bit of that, okay? Move that aside. Then we have the avocado. Definitely got to get the avocados. I like mine a little bit hard. I don't like it nice and soft, okay? So then we have the avocados, right? Next on the list right here, added to the pile, okay, is Kumato tomatoes. These guys have intense flavor, ripens from the inside out. These guys are very juicy. I like these. I'm going to go ahead and add some to my sandwich right here. We're going to go like that. We're going to split it in half like that. Look at the flavor. Look at the color of that thing. Beautiful on the inside. So I'm going to add a little bit of those onto that. I already got some cucumbers cut on the side over here. We're going to lay those down along with some lime too. We have some pepper. We have some salt. I'm going to finish it up with some hemp oil. We're going to skip the olive oil today. So let's go ahead and make room for this. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and give you an up close when I'm done. I'm going to slather this with some spicy brown. We're going to try to get the whole thing there. Let's smell that. We're going to do the other side on there for you. Look at that. Beautiful. I can smell that already. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the bok choy on the bottom. We're going to go ahead and layer it a little bit more with some strands going on the bottom, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to do some tomatoes like that. This is open-faced. You just pick it up like this and you eat it. We're going to do some cucumbers on that note. Maybe one down the center there. We're going to finish this one off with some avocados and maybe stripe it down the middle with a pepper. We're going to do the same thing over here with another avocado. That's a nice chunky one right there. I'm going to flatten it down and or cut it a little bit thinner on that. We're going to put another strip of green pepper in the middle. We are going to go ahead and finish it off with some lime like that. We're going to go ahead and take some hemp oil. We're going to drizzle it on here. Beautiful. We're going to finish this guy off with some fresh pepper on the top. Last but not least, a little bit of salt. And there you have it. Simple, easy, within 10 minutes. I'm going to show you this up close. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look good, guys. Open face sandwich, the greens. We're going to go ahead and, last but not least, we have what? We have the tea, the butterfly pea. Remember, this bad boy is going to be purple in color. How do I know? Because I know. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful on that note. So remember, the greens. Check my other video out. You can't go wrong. Thanks for watching. Have a sweet day. Be yourself. Be well. Be simple, guys. Till next time, thank you for watching The Vegan Spice.